All right, welcome back. We're now in our tile and coping area of the showroom, and I'm in here to show you how everything actually sets up when we're designing a pool and a remodel of a pool and deck. This is what one sees in the normal format of the ordinary swimming pool. This is the coping. This is a bullnose brick that's nice and smooth and rounded on the inside, no sharp edges, which goes down to your pool tile, which goes down to your pool surface. And that's how we create the art of the pool. The coping matches the tile, matches the surface to create the visual effect we want. And looking at from a side view, we can see normally in most cases the coping is at the same elevation or height of the pool's deck. Sometimes we remodel a standard format where a homeowner wants to add a paver to their patio. Now, if we were to use a standard paver, we would have a problem because the paver, which is generally 1 inch thick, goes on top of the deck, which would now make the deck higher than the coping. So when we have a scenario where we're putting a paver deck down, we have to do a different format of the coping. That's called a remodeling coping. And this is an example of a remodeling coping. So, from the cross section, we cut the bullnose edge off to square it. And this is called a remodeling coping for pavers. We install the remodeling coping over the old coping, which now gives us the proper elevation and height for us to bring our new paver. We put the little bit of sand under the paver for elevations to be unified, and that's how we use a remodeling coping to reformat a pool for a new paver deck. Sometimes decks have a different material than a paver. They may have concrete at the edge, which is longer than a standard brick. So special longer remodeling copings are available to again cover what we want to cover and still maintain the format coping to tile to surface.